Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, All Things Washington. Today I just wanted to talk about how to preserve your boots. It is winter time, and if you have a pair of boots that you really like and they're starting to crack or peel, you are able to preserve your boots a little bit longer. I've had these boots for I'd say about 4 years, and they started to crack on me. Let's see, not that one, but this one. It's here in the corner. I don't know if you can see it. It's like right there in the groove. So what you can do is, I had did a little research on it, and I found that Mod Podge, they have a liquid form, and then they also have this form here. It's almost like a paste. But what Mod Podge is, it is glue and a sealer. So with the liquid, just shake it up a little bit, and all you have to do is take it. You can spray the area, where it is, where it's starting to peel and crack. And you can also spray where it's not peeling and cracking to preserve it, to keep it from peeling and cracking. All right, so you can spray it on, and I have a little tissue here. And I just blend it in, that's all. Just blend it in, and it keeps it. They have a shiny, they have a glitter, and they have a matte. This is a matte sealer that I'm using. This way it's not really shiny. Now, I used to have a jacket, and it had fake leather sleeves, and I also had a white pleather, I guess they call it, uh, white jacket, and it started to peel all around the collar, and it was a very nice jacket, and I was disappointed when it just started to peel and it just started falling off the jacket, so I had to trash it. So when I noticed that it started happening to my boots, I was like, oh no, I really like these. So I did some research to figure out how I can try to preserve them a little bit longer. So, and it recommends, for the winter time, you can use what they say, the Podge that is for indoor and outdoor use. Yeah. So if you got some uh, leather chairs outside, and you want to use this, on your chairs and even in your cars, you know how the leather in the car, the fake leather, it starts to crack. You can use this, and it will preserve it and keep it longer. Now, for this one here, I don't know if you can see it, but it almost looks like a little paste. And I just took a little dab, and I put it in the area, where it started to crack a little bit, right in there. That's where I put it. And then I just blend it in real good. I'm using a tissue. You can use a cloth, or you can even, a little brush, a little paintbrush, and you can paint it on there, blend it in there. And all it is, it's a sealer. So it's just sealing it. It's preventing it from spreading even more. Okay. So that's a little tip for you. If you have a pair of boots or a jacket or even a purse that you really like and it's not real leather, see how it looks? Has a nice look to it. It's not, I don't have the shiny kind. It's a matted finish. That's what it is. But if you want to preserve your boots, all you need is some Mod Podge, either the liquid spray or the one that looks like a little paste. But I tried both of them, and I was satisfied. And I'm going to preserve my boots for the winter time, for them to last a little bit longer. And you can also stuff it with some paper just to keep it from bending and folding, because that also allows it to crack, in that area where the bend is, to crack or peel over time, you don't want that. So just, stuff it, and don't put them in a plastic bag, because you don't want to do that neither. That allows it to spread, for it to start to peel. So you don't want to put in a plastic bag. Okay, so I just wanted to give you that tip for the winter time, how to preserve your boots by using the Mod Podge. And if you like that tip, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching my channel, All Things Washington. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a good night, and God bless.